How do I? Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a simple and effective way to clean your grout without harsh chemicals, all-natural homemade grout cleaner. This grout cleaner is made with all natural ingredients that you can easily find at your local health food store or online, and it's safe for both you and the environment. Let's get started. To make your all-natural homemade grout cleaner, you'll need a few simple ingredients such as baking soda, white vinegar, and essential oils. In a bowl, mix together baking soda, white vinegar, and your choice of essential oils. Mix until the ingredients are well combined. Using a scrub brush, apply the mixture to the grout and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Scrub the grout with a scrub brush and then rinse with water. Your grout will look clean and fresh, without any harsh chemicals. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to clean your grout without harsh chemicals. This all-natural homemade grout cleaner is safe and eco-friendly, and it's also customizable, so you can find the scent that works best for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural living tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cleaning. Thanks for watching How Do I?